Want to see something cool? I keep catching comments from curious creators about collecting cameras and such for their channel. So let's piss off every major tech company in a single video because the only sponsors on this channel are my patrons and your mom, so I have the luxury of honesty. This venerable valorous vestige of video is my old friend, the HXR NX5U. It's the first step past the generation of writing squiggly ripples on rolled up rust. It's the brave new world of packing digital pixels. A marvelous machine of magic and miracles that can suck, slice, and store refracted photons in full high def onto ostensibly secure digital cards. It's 12 years old, and in the camera world, that makes it a dinosaur in the domain of digital devices. Which is funny, because the Your Dinosaurs Are Wrong YouTube channel started with this exact camera. If you ever want to see the smartest man I've ever known, a true gentleman who has an IQ that makes me look like a Basenji with a brain packed in bong resin, you should check out their videos. They're the greatest YouTube science channel that you've never heard of, with a bonus of being family friendly. I'll drop a link in the description, and you should make it your ambition to give them a subscription. This antique has earned 3 silver play buttons. And 3/4 of a gold, damn it! And despite a life spent in perilous proximity to constant calamity with explosions, lightning, lasers, and enough dust to make any recording engineer ugly cry into his penny and giles, it's still in production use every day here in my technological hovel, and I haven't managed to kill it quite yet. I've shot every stupid episode you've ever pooped on company time to in this room, on this camera, and an Android cell phone. The bike shots and time-lapse are done on this, an aging AS300. If you can find one of these in a professional studio, it's probably being used as a doorstop, but you gotta rock with the cock you got. You wanna know the best camera you can use to start a YouTube channel? It's whatever one you already own. The secret to making great videos is audio and ego. The first place to spend money on making videos is getting the best sound you can. That's way more important than the picture. Don't fall for that trap of clunky wireless bullshit on someone's neck. Don't use wireless anytime a cable will do the job. Ever. I use a Tascam DR-10L for almost everything. Get the Pro version if you can because it floats you up to 32 bits and that helps if you yell a lot. This gives you more headroom than an adjustable steering wheel and makes things way easier in the edit. It's a tiny little wired mic that's as sensitive as millennial, and it'll put either amateur MP3s or big boy WAV files right in your pocket at a price that makes the guys at Sennheiser marketing department wish they still had a sense of humor. It's not my fault you killed all the funny ones. So there, your video's as easy as your ex and audio's as cheap as I am. Now, here's the hard part. Ego. The first step to making great video or art in any form is to realize you suck at it. The same personality trait that makes people want to step in front of a camera often makes them fucking insufferable. Look at my old videos if you doubt this for a moment. You're gonna suck at it for a while, and long after you start to think you're good at it, you still suck. You can't do better if you think you're already there. Lose the ego and be willing to learn. Work your ass off and practice, and maybe, just maybe, you might start to suck a little less at this. Have a plan, a message, and a script. Either be smart enough to memorize it, or get a teleprompter. I'm not nearly as smart or clever as you think I am, but I can fake it really well with lots of research, hours of writing, proper preparation, practice, energy, and that good old razzmatazz. Fix your shit at the writing stage. If it sucks on paper, it won't get any better on film. For editing, and you're going to need editing. If you're just starting out, get DaVinci Resolve. It's free and wickedly powerful. You can also get Kdenlive if you want to go open source and be seriously badass, but trying to use Linux for editing video is like masturbating with a cheese grater. You don't know if it'll work, and you can be damn sure it's gonna hurt the whole time, and you probably won't want to see the results. Making videos is like making babies. It's a lot of fun, and anyone can do it, but it's a hell of a lot of hard work to make a decent one. But everyone in the world has a story worth listening to and things to teach that I don't know. So take your shot, show me what you got, and teach me something new. Because I believe in you, and if I can do this, then you can do it better. And that's pretty cool.